Welcome back to Shedtune, and I'm back in the garage. Now today is the start of a good little project. I've been thinking about this for ages. A long time ago I built a Vespa engine out of second-hand parts, rode it around for ages, took it to the dyno, 24 brake horse I think it was. And it never went bang. So I was thinking that with the cost of everything these days, I would build a TS1 out of second-hand parts and see how much power it makes and how long it lasts. Right, so as you can see, I've assembled loads of second-hand parts. So I bought a second-hand TS1 kit. Needs replating because it's had a bit of a heat seize. Piston's a bit knackered, so I've had to get a new second-hand piston. I think the reeds are all right. I haven't really checked them. Head. This cost me, I think, 300 quid. So there you go, as a start. Rear hub, bought that 70 quid. Bought a new mag housing, just put new bearings in that. I bought a case, 380. Kickstart, there you go. 13 quid from India. It's just arrived. I don't know what quality it's like, but there you go. Springs and nods and sods and pins and whatever. Some new old stock bits for the rear end. That's been new second-hand piston. I think that's about 80 quid. I've bought a brand new AF easy clutch, 50 odd quid that was. Lay shaft, all the bits I had lying around, end plates, all sorts of stuff. So basically, oh, don't forget, I've got a choice of section of chains that haven't been used, SX200 gearbox, which I paid 60 quid for. And then what we'll do is I'll total it up at the end and we'll see how far we've got. So you're probably thinking, where do I get all these bargains from? So eBay, Facebook Marketplace, all the selling sites on Facebook as well, and I'll show you what I've been looking at now. So there you go, Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, I've been saving various bits for scooters over the last few months. There's all sorts of stuff. Look, mag housing, 20 quid. LAMBRETTA crank, 50 quid. LI gearbox, 90 quid. The RB225 kit, 490. Fully water cooled engine, look, 2.5 grand. What else we got? Amel carb, 100 quid. Head, ignition, BGM ignition, 80 quid. That might be worth having. Pacemaker, TS1 kit. There I go. Look. Rapido race engine, 2,150. Can't be bad, eh? Looks right, doesn't it? But the point is, there's loads of this stuff. eBay, there you go. £7.69 that kickstart shaft was. And there you go, there's the engine casing. £349.50, not £380. Bought a side case separately, £53.29. Let's have a look at this. Oops. There we go. Let's have a look and see what's on LAMBRETTA TS1. Let's see what's on here. Let's see what it says there. Material used. It's not really what you want. Used. Saw stubs. Gear linkage. 200 engine case. Look, 200 quid. Well, there you go. So you get the idea. Have a look around. See what you like the look of. Make sure that it's in reasonable condition and you know what you're looking for. And if it's a good price, buy it. Right, so there you have it. That's what I'm doing on the internet to find second-hand parts that are usable. Take that crank, for instance, that I just showed you. 50 quid. You buy that, send it up to someone like Darryl Taylor, get it rebuilt for another 80 quid. You've got a proper race crank that's going to last. With all my bits and pieces, there's a few jobs I've got to do. One of them is to match the ports on that onto here. So as I said, next bit we're going to do some porting, then we're going to dishwasher the cases, Scotch Brite them, paint them, and hopefully they'll come out all right. Check the email below if you want to send some questions into the channel for me and Dom, then please do. Right, that's it for this part 1 of this little build. Don't forget, put the bell on, comment, like, subscribe. It also helps with the channel and keeps me motivated to do more video. So as I said, we're going to port this. I'll show you how to mark it all out in the next video and what I do and so on and so forth, and then we'll get the Dremel out, give it a whiz. Obviously we'll have to tidy everything up because that swarf goes absolutely everywhere and we don't want to get it anywhere on the engine. Well, that's it. Bye from me and we'll see you next time. Cheers.